Hey everyone, Jerzy Poznar here with Up Close Travel, getting you up close to the world's most spectacular destinations. Today we're going to get up close with the Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collections' newest ship, the Ilma, and we're going to look at the water sports platform. So I'm going to flip the camera around. And so we're in the marina, and this is the marina terrace and the marina bar. So we'll take a walk around here and then we'll head down, but I wanted to kind of show you this area right here. So you have a bar and some comfortable seating inside here, but you'll probably be outside much more often. How you doing? And then so you have these seats and a table that push out from the yacht. So some wonderful views with a cocktail or a cup of coffee or a snack. So you have this on this side. These pineapple cups are pretty cool. And then of course you have the same on the other side. Flat screen TVs. So if there's any games on, I'm sure this is a good place to come down. Today we're in Guadeloupe. And let's go ahead and let's take a walk outside. So on the top deck here. And then of course we have loungers, cocktails. We have a DJ spinning. Yeah. All right. So now we head down to the marina deck. Some more great loungers here. And here's the marina. So it's open today. Plenty of water sports activities here. We'll take a look here. This is pretty awesome. They have a bunch of activities you can do as well. We have kayaking, paddle boarding, or you can just come out here and kick back and just enjoy the sights, grab a drink, swim in the pool. Hang out here. You got your cup holders for your drinks. So here is the Ilma. Plenty of space here to just take in some sun and the sights. So this is the water sports platform on the Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collections Ilma. So that is the water sports platform on the Ilma, Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collections' newest ship. It is fantastic. Great place to go down, get in some water sports activities, or just soak in the sun. If you have any questions, I'm around 7 days a week. Contact me anytime. I am a preferred partner with the Ritz, so if you book your Ritz-Carlton cruise with me, you get some extra added benefits. I am going to have a full ship tour coming out in the next couple days or week, so stay tuned to that. If you're not subscribed, subscribe so you get notified when that video hits. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.